So in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to improve your credit score before you go applying for a mortgage, true boss mom style. All right. If you've been thinking about buying a home in the next few months, maybe even year, listen up, because your credit score could be the difference between being approved with a great rate or, ow, why is my payment so high? Or even worse, sorry, we're not going to give you a loan. All right, that is why it is so important. So don't wait until you're ready to go house hunting to get your credit score. Let's fix this foundation right now, AKA Real Estate Boss Mom staff. Hi everyone, welcome back to another one of our videos. We are super glad to have you here. Let's jump right in and talk about how we are going to give your credit score a little glow up before you start applying for home loans. All right, step number one, we're going to check out the important documents. All right, we're going to go and get all three of our credit reports and see what is on them. So, I mean, really, would you buy a car without popping the hood and like looking around in there? No. So you're not going to apply for a mortgage without checking all three of your credit reports. I would like to challenge you to go to annualcreditreport.com and check all three of the bureaus. All right, look for errors specifically. You might be shocked at what's hiding in there. Old accounts, mystery late payments, things that you never bought at Sears. Dispute that junk and do it ASAP. Step number two, we are going to pay down our credit cards like a pro, all right? I want you to keep all of the balances on your credit cards at under 30% of your limit. Lower is even better. So if you can pay those down even more, even better. And do not close the credit card once it's paid off, okay? That's like saying thanks, but no thanks. Appreciate you being willing to lend me money, but no thanks to all that credit. And we're getting rid of our credit history, which is going to be very important. So do not close it. Keep it open. Just chill on using it. Step number three, set it and forget it. Pay on time, every time, every time. All right, payment history is literally the Beyonce of your credit score. It carries the most weight, and I want you to set your bills on auto pay if you can. If you can't, try something like setting phone reminders. I don't know, tattoo it on your forearm. Just don't forget. All right, just don't forget to pay those on time. Late payments are gonna stick to you like glitter and they're not gonna go away. They don't come off very easily. Step number four, do not go credit crazy. Now is not the time to open a card for the airline miles, buy a car, open a Home Depot line of credit for a blender, any of those kind of things. Now is not the time to do it. Every new account is a hard pull on your credit and it dings your score. So save the shopping for, hint, 3 days after we close. All right. Step number five, old accounts, I want you to keep them. You got that credit card that you've had since college, you've never used it in the last like 10 years, you forgot that it was there, you saw it when you pulled your credit score, don't worry about it, keep it. Keep it even if you haven't used it in a really long time. Old accounts help your average age of credit, and we love a long, stable relationship with our credit. All right, so make sure you just leave those alone for right now. Step number six, if you're not like great or you would like to try and boost that credit score a little bit faster, see if you can get someone to allow you to be an authorized user on their credit card. So it's a little bit of a credit glow up. All right, so if you have a partner or a parent or even a best friend that has amazing credit history, ask if you can be added as an authorized user. You don't even have to use the card, but if you are an authorized user on their card, it's going to give you a little bit of piggyback, riding the wave of their really good habits. All right, step number seven, bring in the experts and bring them in early. Guys, that means I want you to start talking to a lender now. It is not too early, even if you're a year or two out. Not just when you're ready to buy. We don't want you to wait. We want you to do it now. A smart lender is going to review your credit with you. They're going to give you tips for free or even prep you for the right home loan program so that you are ready. Don't put this to guess. Don't put it to chance. Go get the good guidance, okay? All right, so fixing your credit isn't just about getting approved. It's about owning your power and saving thousands over the life of your loan. Want to know where you stand? Don't wait to find out. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a game plan. I have a freebie to give away to you as well. So if you would like this, I have the 10 commandments of credit, things that thou shalt not do while you're thinking about buying a house to your credit score, that I'd be happy to send you for free. All I need you to do is text me, DM me, message me, however you want to do it, but send me 10 commandments and I'll be happy to get that off to you just as soon as I can. Thanks you guys for watching. As always, if you haven't taken the opportunity, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and give us a comment. And as always, if there's anyone you know that needs this information, please share this with them as well. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on our next video.